Welcome to Mould Museum. This is Sean. Sean used to live in Daniel Owen's Tailor Shop in Mould in Victorian times. As a magic spider, he now lives in Mould Museum. He lives in his button box in a display recreated to look like Daniel Owen's shop. Daniel Owen was a famous Welsh writer who worked in a tailor shop. A tailor shop is a place where people make and mend clothes for people. Sean likes exploring the shop. There are so many things to see. He finds scissors Daniel Owen used to cut fabric in the shop. He finds a sewing machine used to make clothes. He finds an iron used to smooth out the wrinkles in clothes. Today, Sean wants to explore the rest of the museum. He has heard that Mould Museum tells the story of mould from thousands of years ago to today. Sean wants to look for the tallest, smallest, oldest and shiniest objects. Sean finds the tallest object. What could it be? Sean finds the smallest object. What could it be? Sean finds the oldest object. What could it be? Sean finds the shiniest object. What could it be? Would you like to come and explore the museum with Sean? What will you find? Any great explorer needs a magnifying glass. You can find a magnifying glass inside one of our explorer bags, which you can pick up at the library reception desk. Come and explore the museum with Sean and see if you can find the tallest, smallest, oldest and shiniest object. Why not try out some of our museum at home activities inspired by the objects in our museum? Find our Exploring Mould Museum Family Activities resource on the Aura website.